Oh, here, you guys get up there. You guys are weathermen. We got Jayla on Channel 5. Get up there. Okay. She's gonna sit down. And we got Ashley over here. Go, Jayla, get up there.
My name is Nicole.
Good. Okay, Nicole is up there.
My name is Jaden.
No, Jayla.
No, Jaden.
Jayla. We got Jayla over here, the weather girl. Come on.
Got Jaden. I'm not a weather girl, okay? That is nice. That's nice. This is nice. So, things like that.
We're at the scene of a crime, and Nicholas is telling us about the bugs that defeated the beetle.
I was not supposed to say that, but okay. And then we got that over there. That way over there. We got a lot of stuff here. And it's pretty cool out here. We'll see you in another video. Bye.